Today we have a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Police Finally End Woman 17 Crime Rampage.
This woman caught on surveillance footage was about to commit 17 crimes in just 45 minutes. It all began when she attempted to carjack a parked vehicle at a car wash using a taser. When another man tried to intervene, the suspect threatened him, stole his car instead, rammed through the barrier arm, and sped out of the parking lot. She then stopped at a nearby Family Dollar store where she stole clothing while threatening a store clerk. Minutes later, she entered a Puff and Stuff shop and tased an employee after staff refused to hand over money from the cash register.
Give me the drawer. Give me the drawer. Give me money in your drawer. No. Give me money in your drawer now. No. Give me. Get the out of here. Call 911 now. Where's the stuff? Back the up. Call 911.
Based on the victim's 911 calls, officers quickly realized that
Man, I ought to send her ass to the afterlife. I ain't gonna lie. Send her up through there. For sure. I mean, you know what? The girl, she played it smooth. She played it smooth, man. Because if she would have got behind the counter, then yeah, you could have got her together. But the fact that she didn't get behind the counter, I guess it is kind of smart that, you know, because she only has a taser, you know. But man, yo.
they were dealing with a highly dangerous and unpredictable suspect. With the woman armed, mobile, and growing more violent by the minute, police knew they had to stop her fast before the situation turned deadly.
Taking off southbound Watts. I'm gonna go ahead and have a pursuit here. Hold the air, okay? I got it northbound Watts through 5th. Whoever gets behind me, take over. Alright, you guys are getting into the school area. Let's call that off.
Oh.
Got an update, Mark? Get out of the way, come on.
611, I'm at 2nd and Watts, coming your way. Just taking off southbound Watts. I'm gonna go ahead and have a pursuit here.
Copy southbound Watts.
Reports indicated that the suspect reached speeds of nearly 97 miles per hour during the pursuit, weaving through oncoming traffic and narrowly avoiding multiple collisions with other vehicles. But after nearly an hour of terrorizing the city, the suspect's luck was finally about to run out, and things were about to get really ugly for her as the cops closed in.
I see no one. Keep your hands up. If you reach towards your waistband, you will be shot. You understand?
You guys keep gunpoint. Stay right there. Stay right there.
See, it's a high stressful situation. But hey, these guys gotta put some flavor on it, man. Listen, if you move, if I was there, right? Listen to what this guy said.
I see no one. Keep your hands up. If you reach towards your waistband, you will be shot. You understand?
Freeze! Get out the car! Yada, 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 right? If you reach in your waistband, I will send you to the afterlife. You will be knocking on them heaven gates. Do you understand me? You know what I'm saying? You will be shot. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep it professional, you know what I mean? But listen, I will send you up through there. If you don't understand, you understand? Comprende?
Keep gunpoint. Stay right there. Stay right there.
Keep your hands up. Don't move.
on it. Hold her. I got her hand.
Taser!
Do you see me standing here?
Okay.
Watch out! Let go! Stop the car! Stop the car!
Working on it. It's in park. Hey.
Damn, they threw her ass onto the rocks, boy.
What are you doing? Are you kidding me?
Let's get her up.
Let's check her real quick.
I got breathe.
Roll her your way.
Roll me.
I got breathe.
I know, you're on your side. Relax.
Just
Do you have any other weapons on you?
I don't.
Just breathe.
She still got the tag from the store on the pants, like the security tag jump.
Watch her wrist because she's diving.
I got her.
Roll over.
Nothing. All right, send her up and move her. Sit up.
Need a patrol car.
We'll get you an ambulance, don't worry.
Need a patrol car.
Yeah.
Somebody get a patrol car. Don't worry. Have a seat. Butt first. Have a seat.
The suspect was later identified as 32-year-old Cassandra. According to reports, as officers attempted to take her into custody, Cassandra suddenly accelerated in reverse and slammed into a patrol vehicle, an apparent attempt to damage the cruiser and injure one of the officers on scene. But even after she was detained, officers noticed that something about her behavior didn't add up, leaving them clueless about what had driven the violent spree in the first place.
What's your first name?
Linda.
Sorry?
Linda.
How do you spell it?
L-I-N-D-A.
We're over here, and I saw this, the red car is coming, and it's kind of stopped because maybe he realized it's dead end.
Okay. We got the paramedics coming out, okay? Linda, do you use any other names? Okay, because we're not going to just like add another charge, right, with lying about your name? Yes or no? Okay, watch your head. I'm going to close this door.
The first car, the policeman hit him one time. This guy made the right turn towards the fence.
Okay.
And then the second car, who moved this way, hit him on the front. But it was bam, bam, really fast.
Okay.
Wakey, eggs and bakey.
Linda, can you put your head up? Look at me, Linda. Linda!
Tell me what happened.
I was pulling up to get my car washed, and I looked up to the left, and I saw two ladies struggling.
Uh-huh.
Come here, wake up, Linda. Wake up. I know it burns, so look up. Look up at me.
And one lady was like, "Get out of my car," and she was like trying to hit her. So I jumped out. I'm like, "Are you okay?" She's like, "No, she's trying to get my car." And I'm like, "What?" So I ripped open the door, and the other lady had mace. So she was trying to spray the lady in the car, trying to steal her car.
Look up at me. Look at me. Linda,
There you go. Look this way, please.
come on. I need you to step out.
Swing your leg out. Here, Linda, swing your leg out. Yep, come on. Bring the other one out. Come on. Step up, please. Step up. Thank you.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I'm breathing.
Stay right there.
Okay.
So she started chasing me, and I was running around my car, and my door was open, so she jumped in my car, and I went to pull the door back open. She tried to tase me and missed. And then she hauled out, stood here, and took off and knocked the gate off.
Now, when you say it's definitely a taser, what does that mean?
You can hear the sound. It's like the handheld taser.
So she was deploying it?
Yes, she was.
Okay.
Vanessa, can you see her?
She's yelling for no reason. What the fuck?
Do you identify? Let me go talk to Vanessa.
she keeps trying to tase me, so I jump back. She slams the door again. I try to open the back, and I have my keys, so she's not gonna be able. She turns the car off. She's not gonna be able to go anywhere else. Right?
Okay. Down or
She was holding it down. She was actively trying to hit him.
so she was holding down. So how long do you think you heard that taser sound going?
10 seconds.
According to reports, the crime spree resulted in nearly $40,000 in total losses, including the $38,000 stolen Subaru and more than $1,000 in damage to a barrier arm, along with significant damage to multiple police vehicles. Cassandra was ultimately charged with multiple felony and misdemeanor offenses,
Yo, what y'all think she getting? 6 months probation?
including 3 counts of robbery and 3 counts of menacing with a real or simulated weapon. Reports also revealed that she had 2 active warrants from other jurisdictions, and at the time of the crime spree, she was already on state parole for a 2021 case involving aggravated motor vehicle theft and felony menacing. With the charges continuing to pile up against her, the suspect could now be facing no less than 10 years behind bars. YouTube thinks you'll love the video.
Yeah, I mean, one thing I could say is that I do appreciate they all right, police insider, right, the channel, they use AI voice for years, for a long time, and now they have a voice actor, and I could appreciate that, because in the way that you can tell is you probably didn't, and this is completely off topic of the actual case, but you could see here at the end, you're gonna hear like a pause because the guy is actually reading the script.
Menacing. With the charges continues involving aggravated motor vehicle theft and felony menacing. With the charges continuing to pile up.
Felony menacing. With the charges that, because he's reading the, hey, listen, police insider, y'all stepping y'all game up, man. See, I peep game. See, these other channels ain't gon', I peep game, man. Hey, I respect it, man. I respect it. We need more of these. Yeah, get a voice actor, you know what I'm saying? Come on, y'all making all that money, y'all getting crazy money, like, yeah, crazy money. Y'all got over 1 million subs, man. Y'all could afford a voice actor, man, over them AI voices. Like, the AI voices, it sound like it's horrible, man. It's horrible, man. But yeah. Hey, game recognize game, man. I peep game. I see you, man. I see y'all. I respect it. You see, that's what I'm saying. 283,000 views on this video. Like, come on, man. Y'all could afford yo. Y'all could afford a voice actor to say a couple of lines, man. You know, if I had one of these type of channels, it would be my voice. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was like, what? Yeah, I facing menacing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Yo, but anyway, yeah, she's just whatever. She's a lost cause, man. Obviously, she's somebody that I do think needs to be put away for a good amount of time. Because she has this in her history, and it's also she has it in her history, and she didn't learn the first time. So I mean, we probably gonna have to get a good 8 years about her, at least eight or more, 8, 10. You know what I mean? She's robbing people. She's not even 8. We got to get 10 years out of you, man. You gotta go. You definitely gotta go, man. You got to get a 10 piece. But that's my take on it.